In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid a negative balance on your PayPal account and stay clear of any limitations that might be placed on it. Managing your finances effectively in PayPal is crucial, especially if you rely on it for business or personal transactions. Let's dive into this process and explore how you can safeguard your account. Firstly, start by navigating to the PayPal website and logging into your account. This is your central hub for managing all of your financial activities. Once you're logged in, move towards your profile. This area holds key settings and information related to your account, making it an essential part of the process. Next, you'll want to access the account settings. Here, you'll find various options that allow you to tweak how your account functions and ensure it's tailored to your needs. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the options available in this section, as this could be very beneficial. From there, navigate to Account Access. By clicking this option, you get a detailed view of your account's permissions and the scope of access you have. This is where you'll find the Limits section, which plays a crucial role in preventing a negative balance. When you reach the Limits section, click on View to see a detailed overview of your current account limits and usages. This transparency helps you understand where you stand and what needs adjustment for the best financial health of your account. After reviewing your limits, click on Lift Limits. This action may prompt you to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Linking your bank account is a critical step in preventing a negative balance, as it ensures that funds are readily available for any transaction, thus avoiding any disruption in service. Let's take a quick pause to discuss the importance of keeping your personal and banking information up to date. Regularly updating your name, address, and contact details in your PayPal account is vital. This ensures that all your information is precise, reducing the risk of encountering unexpected limitations. Equally important is the accuracy of your linked bank account and credit card information. Make sure all details perfectly match your current financial records to avoid any mishaps during transactions. Lastly, avoid making purchases or initiating refunds if you know that your bank account doesn't have sufficient funds. Doing so could lead to a negative balance, putting your account at risk for limitations, impacting your ability to make future transactions smoothly. By following these steps and maintaining diligent oversight of your PayPal account settings, you can effectively avoid encountering a negative balance and keep your account in good standing. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit subscribe for more financial tips and updates.